Okay, so now I want to modify this program to say something different. So this is the same program that I just pasted in here. And if you scroll way down, almost near the bottom, you'll get to a spot that looks about like this. And you'll see right in here, this is where it determines what it says. And right now it's going to say auto. So I'm going to change it to say hi there. So I will just simply change these letters. I'm going to use uppercase letters in the program. So just keep these uppercase. This will say hi. And then I need a space. A space is actually an underscore, just like that. And then I'll say there. So that's T and then H. Notice how I'm typing using the same format here. Print letter, E. Oops. R. Oops. And then E. That will say hi there. To upload it, all you're going to need to do is press this button, and assuming you have it plugged into your USB port, the same one that we used last time, it should go through the process of compiling and uploading. And then this time when you shake it, you should see it say hi there. Okay? And that's how you just change the message. I'm going to show you how to make graphics and make different letters here in a minute.